Hey, welcome back to Dining with DA. Slice through these cherry tomatoes. You're gonna need some mushrooms. You're gonna also need some diced onions. Get a spoon. Just gonna mix this up. Just gonna mix it up like that. See that?
You know what? Sometimes the best moments in life aren't planned. They just happen. Like taking a random trip to Pattaya, for instance. Hint, hint. A peaceful morning in Bangkok. And a simple breakfast that somehow turns into a perfect start of the day. Today on Dining with the A, we're making an Asian-inspired croissant breakfast sandwich with chicken, tender, sautéed onions, egg, and cheese. So check this out. The other morning, I woke up and realized I had absolutely nothing on my schedule. No filming appointments, no meetings, no headlines, and for some reason, it just hit me. You know, you've been thinking about taking a trip to Pattaya. It's only 45 minutes, well, about an hour, about 2 hours down the road, on a nice day, on a comfortable bus. Why not take a little excursion to Pattaya? Now, this was completely random, right? Completely unplanned, but honestly, I'm glad I did it. Now, I don't know how I did it, but I got on the wrong damn bus. You know, it wasn't the luxury air-conditioned bus I thought it was, the one I took prior. But, you know, it was okay. I mean, we got there in about 2 hours, but no regrets, you know, because sometimes you have to just break the routine for a moment, you know, see something different, reset mentally, you know. I only stayed one night because I had to get back to Bangkok the next day for my haircut and shave appointment. But honestly, even that short reset felt worth it. Hey, what's going on, y'all? I'm in Pattaya, Thailand, down by the beach right now. You know, it's Thursday afternoon. I went ahead and canceled my cut, my shave today. I just feel like coming down to the beach. You know, I'm only gonna be here for a day or two. I'm going to go and check into my room. I'll show you guys around once I get situated and everything. This is just the give y'all a quick look see outside, man. Show you where I am for the most part. Just getting away for a bit. They got the water over there. Oh, you know, we're gonna do a little tour. Nice little tropical area out here. Yeah, very nice hotel. Called the Amori. The Amori Hotel. I'm gonna go back inside and get checked in. And I'll give you guys a little tour of the hotel room and so forth. This is how you travel, man. You travel solo, man. You gotta travel solo. You gotta get something done. Do what you gotta do. You gotta wait on folks, man. You know, you ain't gotta worry about no missed dates or nothing like that, man. Do you? You know, the date, all that stuff is coming. It'll come. You gotta do you, though, baby. Do you. Celebrate you. I just felt like getting away for the day. Just for the day. You know what I mean? So this is the room right here. This is the Amori. As you can see, it's very well appointed. It's very well appointed. Nice looking bed. I'm gonna check it out in a few minutes. Yeah, it's a nice large room. Nice large. Look at the decor, man. This is nice. Look, man. I just wanted to get away for the day. I'm going back home tomorrow. I only got it for one day. You know, I didn't have anything to do today, so I said, you know what? I'm gonna go down to Pattaya and just hang out for the day. So I took jumped on the bus for what, $8? Show y'all around, man. The bathroom is nicely put. Man, look at this nice bathroom right here. I love it. Nice tub right here in the center of everything. I got the mirrors over here. You know what I mean? I can profile, I can dance a little bit, man. Get my group, my jiggy, baby. It's a shower right here. But other than that, man, it's just nice. This is really nice right here. I got a little bath. Here go. What's this? Oh, this is the stool. Toilet. Now, got a little chase right there. TV over there. We got a little, outdoor with balcony. See what the view look like on the balcony, man. Step out on the balcony. Okay, got a little spot here to hang some clothes if I want to. Yeah, this is Amari, babe. This is Amari. And Pattaya. Yeah, okay. They got the Space Center over there, Space Center Pattaya. Yeah, there go the voyage. These are, I think those. That's a condominium right there, and those are condos over there. But the grounds are beautiful. The grounds are absolutely fantastic, awesome. And they go to the ocean right there. Yeah, I'm gonna go out there and go walk the strip, baby. Hey, look, y'all, we got to get on back to the kitchen, man. We got to finish up that breakfast sandwich. Look, I'll show you guys. I'll share more of this quick trip to Pattaya with you guys on the next edition of Chilling with the A. So after getting back to Bangkok, I wanted to do something, something that was comforting, simple, flavorful, and balanced. So today, we're making an Asian-inspired croissant breakfast sandwich with chicken tenders, sautéed onions, egg, and cheese. We're going to serve it with fresh green salad and strawberries. Now, like before, the ingredients are, simple. But put together, they create something that feels fresh, comforting, and flavorful. We'll be using 2 eggs, chicken tenders, fresh onion. You could use salmon if you like. Fresh red onion, cheddar cheese, or any cheese that you prefer. Lettuce, cherry tomatoes, Thai cucumbers, which are really sweet and they're small. Strawberries, olive oil, butter, unsalted butter, some guacamole. I didn't put that out, but guacamole. And one very important ingredient, sesame seed dressing, which I didn't display either. Trust me, that's what gives the salad that light Asian-inspired flavor. We'll start by preparing the salad first, so everything is fresh and chilled by the time the sandwich is ready. You're going to, of course, slice your red onion thin. You're going to go ahead and split those cherry tomatoes, however many you want. Then you're going to prepare your lettuce, whether you use regular lettuce head or romaine lettuce or whatever lettuce or green leafy lettuce that you prefer. Then, of course, go ahead and slice your cucumbers. The Thai cucumbers here, they're smaller. They're not large like the ones you're familiar with in the States, but they're slightly sweeter, lighter and sweeter. And to be honest with you, I prefer them because they're perfect for light salads like this. And once everything's prepared, we're just going to go ahead and place the salad bowl into the refrigerator to let it chill. Next, we're just going to prep the additional onions for sauteing and also the chicken tenderloins. You're going to season the chicken to taste. Nothing overly complicated here. Just enough seasoning as you desire to bring everything together naturally. I like to use onion powder, onion salt, and onion powder. Yeah, basically onion powder, pepper, maybe a little paprika and so forth. But that's what I like. You can use whatever seasoning you prefer. Next, you're just going to add some olive oil, to your heated pan. Then you're going to just simply place the onions and the chicken into the skillet. And you just want to cook until the onions soften and begin caramelizing. And the chicken reaches, your preferred tenderness. And this part right here is where the flavor really starts building. After that, those chicken tenderloins are done, the sautés, the onions, are finished cooking and fumigating the room, and making your tongue water. You just want to move those over to a plate, maybe cover them up so they stay warm. Now, using the same pan, you want to melt a little garlic butter in the pan. Then just place the croissant face down until lightly browned. That buttery, crisp texture makes a huge difference. Next, you want to prepare your egg. I normally use a little unsalted butter, which is really going to be like an egg omelet for the most part. And here, you can either melt the cheese directly over the top of the egg while cooking or add it afterwards. Either way works perfectly. Now it's time to bring everything together, right? You want to spread a generous portion, however much you like, of a guacamole, onto the croissant, on one side of the croissant, or both sides. It's up to you. Add that, nice tender piece of chicken. Then that nice soft egg and cheese combination omelet. And then you want to finish it, with those sautéed onions, See? Simple, warm, flavorful, and honestly, the perfect comfort breakfast. We're gonna finish the dish with our chilled green salad. And again, the sesame seed dressing is a must. You gotta, look, nix the ranch, all right? Bypass the ranch. Put the ranch, keep the ranch in the fridge for a moment. Use that sesame seed dressing, right, to get that nice flavor. And that really, and also the adding those strawberries to the side, that gives the salad, that sesame seed gives the salad that subtle Asian inspired flavor, right? And with the strawberries, you can't miss with the strawberries. And just like that, your breakfast is complete. Don't that look good, y'all? What I really like about this meal is that it feels balanced. You're getting protein from the chicken and eggs, healthy fats from the guacamole and fresh vegetables, and fiber from the natural fruit, and enough substance to actually keep you full, without feeling overly heavy. It's flavorful, it's comforting, but still relatively light and intentional at the same time. And from a nutritional standpoint, if you're a calorie counter, this breakfast comes in at roughly between 550 and 700 calories, depending upon the portion size and the amount of dressing you use, with a solid amount of protein and healthy fats and fresh vegetables. 550 to 700 calories. You can't beat it. See, I told y'all I could cook a little bit. One thing I really, started appreciating living here in Bangkok is slowing down enough to enjoy simple moments, right? A peaceful morning, good food, a comfortable space, and balance. Sometimes that's all you really need. Welcome back to Dining with the A. And yeah, this is the Bangkok edition. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hype the video if you will. And we'll catch you on the next one. All right? Peace.